Alright traders, let's have a look here at news. Here at the start of a Monday, click on our global economic calendar we got here on the site. Let's see, today is the 30th. We're going to be looking at Eurozone news. The ECB president's going to speak at 9:30. And then in the evening, looks like after normal trading hours, we'll see Britain and Japan and everybody come out with some more news here, none of which will probably affect us. So, a light day here towards the end of the month. Alright, looking down here in the bottom left of your screen, Japanese USD Japanese yen. We've been calling that projection. You can see on the daily chart, we've been looking for a projection through this resistance and a continuation of the trend. Right now on the 60-minute chart, we have had basically a double test of those highs, and no real follow through. And now we've had a reversal of position. The market has continued to move against us. We had let me just show you here. We had the pullback, then the extension into the 127. We then we had the pullback into the 618. If we look at this, pull back right here into the 618 again. We called for buys at the reversal 618. So we had buy orders, called the buy order here around 618.786 near previous structure support, and we blew right through that last night. So we're continuing to miss the mark here slightly with our Japanese yen trade, but once again, now if you look, swing high to swing low, dragging it back in. We're now at the 618. Now looking for a pullback back into the 618 retracement area, 618.786 retracement level. Again, right up against that structure resistance, and we'll look for trend continuation to the downside. So be patient, traders. This is not a foolproof plan. Sometimes we win and sometimes we don't. Looking over now to the top right of your screen, you're going to see the Euro USD 2-minute. We have bull rotation in the trend trader model. We are in the market looking for targets of 32.15 and 32.33 respectively. That is with, if you look to the top left here, the Euro 60-minute chart, that is with the direction of the trend. We've continued to kind of slide here with this hourly Euro, with our fib Euro. We had this rollover, then we kind of just puttered around and back down again. We've got some structure resistance here at the blue line, and then the green line further on down as the 618 retracement of our daily move. And so right now we'd be looking for aggressive buys at the 618, but right now just not a whole lot happening. If we roll back over to the 60-minute, eventually what we're going to see is if we do put in a bottom here, and once again that is a big if, but assuming that this is pretty close to where we put in a bottom, if we bring in the fib tool, 618 retracement takes us right back up into that structure, previous structure support. And as we know, after previous structure support is broken, it tends to become now resistance. So as we rally back here towards the structure now resistance, we should have some really good selling opportunities there as we look for a trend continuation now down into the 618. So we'll see what happens with that, and we'll continue to follow it, and we'll hopefully find some good ways to make money there. Looking down at the bottom right, Japanese yen 2-minute chart, that model is long as well. We have hit our entry, and now we have seen 2 T-line rejections as we continue to move towards our targets at 96.88 and 9700. So things are looking good there as well. We just, kind of a nice little morning here. Stock market or the market here is trending well. So be vigilant, traders, and we'll follow this. All right, traders, looking down to the bottom right of your screen. The USD Japanese yen target one has been attained, moving up towards target 2 at 9,700. Euro now having a little pullback after a press up towards target 1. Look for either a stop and reverse or a continuation on up to the target. And there we are, bottom right of your screen, target 2 attained. So well done, traders. Japanese yen all flat. Look for a pullback here, a possible trend continuation, or a reversal signal. All right, traders, top right of your screen, Euro USD. We just had a crossover here. Look for a potential stop and reverse at 31.79. Market's starting to rally here a little bit again. We'll see what happens. But right now we got sell stops resting at 31.79. Previous stop was 31.66. So adjust your stops accordingly, and we'll see if we get any continuation on up towards our target or a stop and reverse. Alright, traders, top right of your screen, as you can see, we did go ahead and get that stop and reverse. We were filled at 31.79. Moved down, target 1 attained. We just had a break of structure. Trail stops are in place at 31.74, so just below our entry. Look to see if we'll go ahead and press down into targets or pull back and be stopped out here. So sit tight. Alright, traders, top right of your screen here. Target 2 has been attained, so ring the register on that. So little loser, 2 big winners, looking good. And alright, traders, rolling into the 10 o'clock hour, as we know from our back testing on our day trading model that we do not see any major trends happening between the 10 and 12 o'clock hours Central Standard Time. So we're going to go ahead and call it a morning here. A little to take you back throughout the morning. We had one winner here in the euro. Bottom right, we had another winner in the Japanese yen. So 2 winners. And a couple of little losers in there. All in all, we ended up for the morning at 54 pips. So good job, everyone, and good trading. And if you choose to trade the afternoon session, remember, follow your rules. Follow your rules. Follow your rules. And we'll see you back here bright and early tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. For more live trading. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you.